If you've been looking for the best value for money family home in Placerville with a massive backyard, bonus room, separate office on a quiet cul-de-sac, then this one's for you. Welcome to 1041 Lydia Lane, Placerville. Check out this light, bright, and open living room, dining room combo with plenty of room for the whole family, with a sit-on hearth, art niches, and gorgeous views of the backyard. Here in the living room is a great place to talk about the specs. This home is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,757 square feet, plus a bonus room that could be used as a 4th bedroom, a detached, fully air-conditioned office, all sitting on a usable nearly ½ acre on a quiet family cul-de-sac. Now the yard is truly massive, and we'll get to that later, but right now let's check out the kitchen. So here we have a large galley-style kitchen with loads of counter space and plenty of room to put your own stamp and your own style on this home. But come with me and check this out. This is my favorite part. So check out this wide open space behind me in the kitchen. This is great for a coffee cart or coffee bar. Now, being a father of 2, running my own business, the fuel of my life is coffee. So if you're anything like me, you're gonna absolutely love this space. Now, let's head down the hall. All right, in this beautiful ranch house, first up down the hall, we have this beautiful full hall bathroom complete with loads of counter space and a tile shower over tub. On my left, we have 2 bedrooms, 2 of the 4 possible bedrooms that are light, bright, and open, great for kids' rooms or guest rooms. And of course, behind me, we have the star of the show, the massive light, bright, and open primary suite. Let's check it out. Welcome to the massive primary suite. There's plenty of room here for your king-size bed, couches, all the dressers you like, and sunset views through the windows behind me. Now let's check out the best part, the spa-like ensuite bath. So here in the primary suite ensuite bath, we have a massive space with dual sinks, jetted soaking tub behind me, a walk-in shower complete with rain head and shower seat, and sunset views out the window by the tub. What more could you ask for to relax at the end of the day? Here we are entering the bonus room, which could be a 4th bedroom if you need it, but check out this great flexible space. This is a huge room with a bay window, great views into the yard, and built-in bookcases and all wired up to be a media room. This is a great flexible space with amazing opportunities. Could be a media room, could be a theater room, could be a playroom, could even be a homeschool room. But the one thing you don't need it to be is a home office, because we have a great detached, fully air-conditioned home office to show you later in the video. Now, let's check out the massive backyard. Now it's time for the star of the show. There's plenty of space for the kids to play, the dogs, other animals, a massive garden space, and a ton of shade for those hot summer days. So what more could you ask for in a beautiful yard in the foothills? How about a home office separate from the house, complete with air conditioning? Let's go check it out. With the rise of entrepreneurship and so many people working from home, a home office has become almost a necessity for every house. And one like this, complete with its own air conditioning and separate from the house, makes it a quiet and awesome place to work. And if you don't work from home, it could be a great home gym or yoga studio or art studio. Rounding out this family home is a beautifully landscaped front yard and tons of parking, including space for an RV or boat, all on this quiet cul-de-sac. Well, that wraps up our tour of 1041 Lydia Lane here in Placerville, which in my opinion is the best value for money family home on the market right now. Now, if you'd like more information or a private showing, feel free to reach out to me via the contact information on your screen or in the description down below. And if you made it this far with me, hit the like button, click subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so you don't miss another video tour that might just have your dream home in it. In the meantime, I'll see you either here at Lydia Lane or in the next video. Thanks for watching.